So we've uploaded data to TaxoTox, but first let me introduce it to the way the software works. This is the management panel, and the process is followed along those tabs. Now, in order to calculate mixture toxicity, we decided we will use CAS numbers as identifier for different substances, because names change in various places and CAS number is a better identifier, and we need it in order to extract bioassays from our data set. Now, once I uploaded the data, it tries to relate pollutant name to CAS number. In some cases, it worked, all of those. In some cases, it didn't work, but it was able to identify the pollutant or the CAS number using an API. In these cases, the default is to use this CAS number, and in other cases, it wasn't able to identify, which is why it gives you the possibility to manually enter a CAS number and select it too. Once I submit the selected line, I identify everything I can, I get the option to calculate toxicity. But that's enough for this cast.